Okay. What's up, YouTube? I'm Jamie. Okay. Oh, this is an iced protein shake, similar to iced coffee, I guess. Really easy. Just get some Optimum Nutrition mocha cappuccino flavor. Mix it with some water. Keep tasting it to make sure it tastes good. Make sure you have some ice. Then all you do is just pour this in the ice. This protein tastes pretty good by itself, but I'm assuming it's going to taste better when it's cold. It goes down a lot smoother. The taste is actually way better because instead of tasting like not a hot coffee but not a cold iced coffee, like in between, instead of tasting like that, it actually tastes like a nice iced coffee you buy from the store. Maybe not quite as good, but pretty good. So I recommend to try this way with some protein. It's a new way to take your protein, and if your protein's just not tasting very good, just switch to this and try it out. If you have this and it's not tasting good with just water, try this way out. Till next time, talk to you later.